Nike is bringing major excitement to 2026 as the long-awaited Air Rejuven8 makes its powerful return. First created for athlete recovery before the 2008 Beijing Olympics, the model's unique design was inspired by a child slipping a pair's protective net over his foot, sparking the shoe's lightweight, breathable structure. Today, the revival gains even more momentum thanks to COMME des Garçons, a brand known for resurrecting hidden Nike gems and pushing them back into the spotlight. As part of Nike's innovative lineage, alongside icons like the Air Kukini, Zvezdochka, and Huarache, the Air Rejuven8 comes back with a more classic build compared to newer laceless versions. Early SNKRS previews already teased upcoming colorways such as metallic silver/voltage green and black/sail, fueling hype across the sneaker community. With several fresh designs dropping throughout 2026, this comeback is shaping up to be one of Nike's biggest stories of the year.